Remember this pretty room? The room that I keep changing around? Well, I'm gonna change around one more time. Watch and see what I do. And here it is, the bedroom without the beds. So we had to go in this week and take out the beds because we're having a big brunch at our house with political candidates, and it's for the whole area to come and meet the candidates. And the weather has not been good. So we decided that if the weather is bad, the rain was supposed to come on Saturday and it was supposed to be really cold. So we were like, okay, we're gonna have to take the beds out of this big room and we'll fit 12 seats in there. But as I was looking at it, I really hated the blue because I've just not liked the blue a whole lot, and I don't like it now. I've been wanting to paint those chairs all year. So I've decided that this is my DIY project. We're gonna paint the chairs. Well, the first thing I did was went around the corner to Runnings, and I found this really nice green Rustoleum paint. And it goes on plastic, and what I really liked about the paint was look at the match with my shutters. It's amazing. Even though I'm just painting these chairs for this one time, the chairs are gonna go really well on my patio and with my house from now on. When I paint the barn red, they're gonna go really nicely. So I was able to pick up 4 cans of this paint, and that's all they had in the store. And so I'm hoping that that's gonna take care of 12 chairs. So I'll let you know how it works out. But I'm thinking it's just really going to look great out here, don't you? I'm loving it already. Before you start your project, you're gonna need gloves, a mask, and your paint. The gloves are to protect your fingers from getting green, and the mask is because even if you do it outside, you're gonna get those little particles of paint in your mouth. Next, you're gonna wanna make sure your chairs are clean and ready to paint. And the first thing you're gonna do is tip them upside down and paint the legs. Don't paint the underside if you don't have enough spray. When you're done, paint the rest of the chairs. Look how great they look outside now. They don't stand out at all. And here's a picture of them inside in the room, and they actually look really good. They kind of match the furniture that's in there. So I was really happy with how they looked. I think that they make a great indoor-outdoor chair. And now the weather has turned around and we're actually going to have our party in the barn after all. So we took apart this room for nothing. Hey, better safe than sorry, and no one could ever accuse us of not working hard. So there's that. So that's my little tip this week. If you don't like the color of your chairs, you can always paint them. There's great colors out there and it makes such a difference. Don't get rid of things just because you don't like them. Paint is always your first option. Always use what you have.